This new question is to determine if the mean value theorem applies to a given function over a specific interval. Determine whether the mean value theorem applies to the function y equals 5 plus the absolute value of x on the interval from -1 to +1. Justify your answer. First step is to recall the conditions for the mean value theorem. For a function to satisfy the mean value theorem on a closed interval from a to b, it must meet two conditions. First, the function must be continuous on the closed interval, including the endpoints. Second, it must be differentiable on the open interval, which excludes the endpoints. Next step is to check continuity on the interval from -1 to +1. The function y equals 5 plus the absolute value of x is continuous everywhere, including this interval, because absolute value functions do not have any breaks, jumps, or holes. So continuity is satisfied. Next step is to check differentiability on the open interval from -1 to +1. To evaluate this, consider how the function behaves. If x is greater than 0, then the absolute value of x equals x, so y equals 5 plus x. If x is less than 0, then the absolute value of x equals -x, so y equals 5 minus x. At x equals 0, the function simply evaluates to 5. Now, look at the derivative. When x is greater than 0, the slope is 1. When x is less than 0, the slope is -1. But at x equals 0, the left-hand and right-hand derivatives do not match. The slope coming from the left is -1, and the slope coming from the right is +1. Because these two do not agree, the function is not differentiable at x equals 0. And since 0 lies inside the open interval, the differentiability condition is not satisfied. Next step is the conclusion. The function is not differentiable on the entire open interval from -1 to 1, so the mean value theorem does not apply to this function over this interval. When checking for the mean value theorem, don't stop at continuity. Always check whether the function is smooth and has a well-defined slope everywhere in the open interval. That's it for this question solving. This video is based on our math tutoring blog and class recordings. Hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell. Press the like button. Thank you so much.